Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find the serial number and model of your PS5 console. So it's pretty easy. So as you can see, the serial number is comprised of a long series of numbers and is located at the bottom of the console when positioned vertically. And the model number consists of letter CFI followed by a series of numbers and a letter. The model number is located at the bottom of the console and positioned vertically. So basically, if you take a look at the console, so this is the bottom of the console, and if you take a look at the right side, you're going to see the numbers, the serial code basically of your console. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what is the problem in the comments down below.